Oh, hi, I'm Faye.
And I'm Fluffy.
And we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly,
Read the house down. Oh! Hi, friends.
Hi, Faye. Hi, Fluffy.
It's great to see all of you. Wow, Fluffy, your eye makeup is incredible.
I just felt a little extra creative today, so I went with it.
Wow, I wish I could be as creative as you are.
You totally are. And there's so many different ways that we can express creativity. What are some ways that you all are creative?
I like to draw. I draw art. I love dancing.
Haley, what kind of dancing do you do?
Mexican dancing.
All of those things sound wonderfully creative.
But Fluffy, I don't know if I'm even great at any of those things.
I don't think that's true. It's all about being creative because it's fun. You don't have to be perfect.
So what about designing and making costumes?
Absolutely. Fashion is definitely creative expression.
I like your shoes, Faye.
Thank
They're
you, Daniel.
fashion. I like to wear shorts. I like to wear dinosaurs on my t-shirt.
I guess I decided that I would wear this today because I was feeling strong and confident. Hello, Faye and Fluffy's fabulous friend phone line. Oh, yes, of course. Toodle. Oh.
Who's on the phone?
It was my really dear friend and radical artist, Mick Michelle. She's coming over
When?
right now.
Right now!
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Mick.
Can you guess how Mick expresses herself creatively?
Being an artist, drawing,
Oh, maybe drawing?
painting.
That's right, I love spray paint. I like spray painting murals everywhere.
Can you tell all of us what exactly a mural is?
It's basically a wall with a lot of cool colors on it.
What inspires you?
Oh, just reminders to be kind.
I love that. Now, if you were gonna make a mural, what would you write?
Stay kind and stay safe.
That's a great message.
I'll draw a big dinosaur.
And what would your dinosaur say?
Booga booga.
What do you think you could write on a wall?
Have a wonderful day.
It all sounds like fun, and I really wanted to give you guys art for today.
Wow, Mick, that is amazing.
It's so white.
So minimalist.
Yes.
I haven't painted it yet.
Well, in that case...
Am I ready to paint? Are you guys gonna guess what it is?
The yellow looks like a mango with blue.
Mangoes.
Tell me what color we would make if we put these two together.
Orange.
So, Mick, do you ever get worried about making mistakes?
No, it's not possible. I'm creating something that doesn't exist yet.
Oh.
How do you come up with your ideas?
I try to listen to everybody, so to see what kind of ideas, what they want in the community. We can just flip it up and turn it into a moon.
Wow! It looks like a palm tree.
Yeah, they do look like palm trees. Whoa! Do you all love it? Great job, everybody, talking about creativity.
Yeah. Welcome. I'm so excited because I have band practice today. I need the perfect outfit to wear while I'm rocking out on my guitar. Can you help me?
Yes!
Oh, my tutu from when I was in Swan Lake. Would this be a good outfit for band practice?
No!
I think my tutu might get in the way of my guitar. Let's try another one. Do you think I can rock out in my hamburger costume?
No!
Oh, I hope this one is good. Do I look ready to rock?
Yes!
All right, let's do it. Thanks for your help. I'm off to band practice.
Hi, my name is Evelyn and I'm 9 years old. I love dance because it has taught me confidence and courage to do things I'm afraid of and express my creativity. Dancing makes me happy from the top of my head to the tips of my toes.
Are we ready for the settle down song?
Certainly are.
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is Fern and Horn by Marie-Louise Gay.
Fern loves to draw flowers and butterflies, birds and bees, caterpillars and orange trees. Can I draw with you, asks Horn. Of course, says Fern. Do you want to borrow my favorite purple crayon? I want to borrow all your crayons, says Horn.
But Horn thinks that his flowers look like purple pancakes, that his caterpillars look like striped socks, that his birds look like witches' hats. I can't draw flowers, grumbles Horn, or birds or stripy caterpillars. Draw whatever you want, says Fern. Elephants, says Horn. I'm good at drawing elephants.
The problem is that Horn's elephant is big and ferocious. It loves to stomp on Fern's flowers and swallow her butterflies, birds, and bees, caterpillars, and orange trees.
Uh-oh, said Horn. What happened here? You know what happened here, sighs Fern. You should keep your elephant on a leash.
Luckily, Fern's imagination is as big as the earth, as big as the sky, and as big as the universe.
Fern loves looking at stars. They sparkle and glow from 1,000,000 light years away. Fern also loves making stars.
She cuts out bright morning stars, fiery shooting stars, and even starfish. Fern hangs the stars so high that not even a ferocious elephant could reach them. Can I make some stars too? Of course, says Fern. Do you want to borrow my scissors? Yes, answers Horn.
But Horn thinks his stars look like confetti or giant snowstorms. I can't make stars, grumbles Horn. Your scissors are way too slippery. Do you want me to help you, asks Fern. No, says Horn. He has another idea. He tears and rips, he glues and snips.
Horn makes an enormous wild polar bear. The polar bear gobbles up the bright morning stars. It devours the fiery shooting stars and the starfish. It licks up every little speck with its bright pink tongue.
Uh-oh, says Horn. What happened here? You know very well what happened here, sighs Fern. You need to teach your polar bear some good manners.
Luckily, Fern's imagination is as big as the earth, as big as the sky, as big as the universe. She thinks and thinks. I know, says Fern. I will build the biggest, strongest castle in the world. A castle that will stand up against polar bear gobbles and elephant stomps.
Horn, do you want to help me? Fern calls out. But Horn doesn't answer. He has another, better idea.
Fern builds a magnificent castle with turrets and a dark dungeon, and in front, there is a deep moat where a hungry shark swims in circles.
Meanwhile, Horn pulls out a long green scaly thing from the bottom drawer of his dresser. He puts it on and sneaks out into the yard.
At almost the exact same moment, a great bat-winged fire-breathing dragon attacks the castle.
Fern is ready. She knows what dragons like to eat. Chocolate chip cookies! She throws a handful of cookies at the dragon. Who else likes chocolate chip cookies?
Nom 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 nom.
The dragon is delighted. He is so busy devouring the cookies that he steps into the moat. The shark bites the dragon's big toe.
Uh-oh, says Fern. What happened here? Ouch, 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 says Horn. Your shark bit my big toe. Do you want another cookie? Asks Fern.
I'm going to build a rocket ship next, says Fern. I'm going to make a monster from outer space, said Horn, with 3 eyes and 4 arms. The end. Thank you, everyone, for all of your great ideas around how to express our creativity.
You don't have to be stressed to be creative. You just need to have fun.
Remember to care.
Remember to be kind and remember to read.